Handmade pizza, let's go. Wagwan, what's great? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. And thank you very much for stopping by. My name is Chef Adrian Morris and you're watching Morris Time Cooking.
Me know about sardine, mackerel, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? So, you hear the background noise. You see where I'm at? Right? I'm in New York. I've asked a lot of questions on my Instagram. Go follow me on my Instagram, hot_chef. I know from in New York, I have to try some New York pizza because that's what we always hear about. So today, me and my brother Raja, we're here. And we're going to be trying some New York pizza based off your suggestions and recommendations, right? And also, you can't be in New York and don't try some New York cheesecake. And also, New York bagel. So we're gonna try the first one, New York pizza. So whenever we get to the spot, I may not necessarily reveal where I'm going, but I just want to see if the hype is true and if New York pizza is different from Canadian pizza or just pizza in general. So we're out here. Once we get to the pizza spot, we'll let you know what's happening. Let me just give you a quick view of what I'm seeing right now. So we're outside right now. Our first time here in America. If you want to see like a full-on footages of our tour, just check out Morris Time Family. That's where I put up the vlogs on our first time experience here in the Big Apple. So walk into the, I smell jerk chicken. Walk into the pizza spot right now. So in a few minutes we'll get there and I'll tell you what that pizza tastes like. You know what I say? Yeah.
Oh, smell jerk chicken.
Yeah, man, I smell jerk chicken.
Food boss, that's right.
You know, so I smell jerk food. That smells good, man. Big them up. So what? Do you mind me recording?
Recording.
Not your face, just the pizza. Can you record? Alright. Okay. Can't come this far for one slice. Alright, so the man start working. Doing his thing. Handmade pizza, let's go. EEA, beautiful. What's the I
did first case and calm down. I'm gonna start on mine. This one is yours. This is your pizza.
Okay, so we shred that with the meat grinder. Nice mozzarella. Alright. Is there a reason why you shred it with the meat grinder?
No.
Pardon?
No.
No, you just do it like that.
Yeah.
It's quicker.
Yeah.
No brainer. Okay. How long have you guys been open? How long have you guys been open?
Open 11 months.
11 years?
No.
11 months?
Open, no. All year. No, open.
A year?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, the open here. No, it's 1933.
1933.
Yes.
Okay. Nice. So yeah, that's what we're gonna try right now. Some stone oven pizza. Came all the way from Canada. Someone suggested it, so we're gonna try it out. Alright. Let's go.
That's
So outside, we're gonna give it a taste. Let's see what's happening. This guy suggested it and we're all the way here. Where are we? In Harlem?
first. No, first phase.
Give it a taste. First bite of a New York pizza. Nice thin crust. How is it?
I like the sauce. I like the tomato sauce.
First.
Tastes so good.
I like how thin the crust is.
How about you, man? Ngayon. Kailan na po natin dila mana dyan la. Okay. Buena. Solo una. ¿Quieres viaje?
What's that? Garlic?
24. 12. Así está bueno. Pero si son como ir cuando empieza yo acabo rápido.
I like the crust, I like the sharpness
Ah, rico.
on the dough. I like the dough. The fact that it's made in a stone oven. It's sharp, but I've had nicer pizza. I have. It's not bad. I'd say 6.5. But it's nice and fresh. Yeah. I'll give them that nice and fresh. Thinness of the dough. Sauce is fresh. The char from the oven and the dough. Like that. But just regular cheese pizza. I'd have to try more pizza in the city and see, but it's just like a 6.5. Thereabout, yeah. It's not like, whoa. No, I'm not get that. But what keeps me eating it is the freshness from home. What do you think?
It's old place famous.
Yeah, it's like an old
just all
stone
regular.
oven. Yeah, but I have better pizza.
But again, it's different when it's cooked from stone oven.
And freshly made sauce and stuff like that.
When it's conveyor belt oven, gas oven. But the actual good ones, I think, that I've seen making the pizza, it's by wood oven. It's stone one, but you put wood
in there. You get the
smoke,
fragrance.
like,
So you get all the flavor from the wood. Yeah. No matter laugh. What would you give this pizza?
I'm not a pizza lover, but it's alright. I'll give it 6.
Okay, here you go. As I said before, somebody suggested it. We always hear about New York pizza. And this is the one we decided to try. As I said, I won't say where the place is, but not bad. Really love the dough, the thinness and the char and the
in
fresh
pizza,
cheese and the fresh sauce. Eh?
Because it's in pizza, the only ingredient that will change the taste in that is the dough and the sauce. Cheese is all the same taste.
All the same thing. And how thick or how dense the dough is. This dough is good. I love the dough. I love the char
I
on
like
the
the
dough.
tomato sauce. It's good.
Yeah, it's fresh. What I said? I just said 6. I said 6.5. I won't be showing the place because I'm not like a food critic. But I like it. I'll eat it, but it's not something I'm like, I'm going to go get it because I need that pizza again. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad.